So today I want to go over a few tips and tricks while working with aluminum. So here I'm using a 7/8 hole saw and some alcohol acting as a coolant. Instead of using an oil, which can be messy, alcohol works just as well in this application and kind of avoids that mess. So these holes are actually being put into the aluminum pipe so that I can later on plug weld them by putting an insert inside this pipe to kind of help strengthen the structure that I'm working on up a little bit. Here I was looking for a pair of pliers, Moving on, I'm actually cutting the insert material here. And I'll just take my time with it. Don't want to go too fast with the saw. So with this blade, it's actually a fine-tooth wood blade. We have this set up here primarily for aluminum. And when you are cutting aluminum, you really don't need much more than a wood blade. Fine-tooth, that is. There's a lot of high-speed, fancy blades out there that are great for steel and stainless steel and maybe some other metals, but for working with aluminum, you can just get yourself a cheap blade, $40–45, something along there, and it works great with this. I got all my pieces there. They're going to be going into the structures as the insert material, right around 15 inches. And I'm just taking a good rough measurement. It doesn't have to be perfect, as it's going to be inside the pipe and you won't see it. And again, just keeping it slow and smooth. Here the pieces are inserted into the pipe already and I'm just plug welding them. This is TIG welding, for those who don't know. And I'm using 53/56 aluminum wire. Just dabbing it in there, getting the plug weld. And just like that. Coming over here real quick.